Okay, got a WMS from Steensy, WMS5 on the key, and this is the standard side. I've got the challenge side right here, replace drivers. Key doesn't work it, but key does work this one. It's very smooth. Here's the bitting by pin. Let's see what we can do with it here. And let's just, well, we'll start with the front, I guess. 1, 2, and it's open. Zoom out. Okay. Keep that frame here. And Pickbeard has challenged me to pick one of these the other way. So if I'm going to pick one the opposite direction, then it's got to be a standard, because I'm not used to picking them like that. Which I do pick dimple locks like that. For some reason I can pick a dimple lock like that easier than the other way around. I don't think it's going to fit either. Well, this one will fit. I screwed that one up. But they're all standard pins, so they all look the same. I should have used that pin and shoe. I don't think any springs got damaged. It doesn't look like it. That's what what I was afraid of. On the challenge locks, I'll definitely use the pin and shoe. I had that upside down and they didn't even come out. It feels a little oily. All 5 key pins. They don't want to come out. Let's pop them out here. There's one. There's 2. 3. 4. And 5. Alright, I know there's nothing been done to the core or the plug in the Bible because it's a standard lock. So, alright, here's this WMS from Steensy. Alright, thanks for the lock, and as always, be good, be safe, be legal. Thanks for watching, please subscribe, have a good one, and it's all standard lock. Thanks again.